Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, today we are going to learn friendships, best wishes and blessings. Hello friends, see the friendships, wishes and blessings. What is friendship made of? It is 20% love, 20% sharing, 20% caring, 20% support, and remaining 20 gives you new hope. Straight from my heart, the message is clear. You and me together seems rare. Our friendship is way perfect. Cheers, my friend. Friendship is that emotion which is felt from the heart. It has no end and no start because it stays forever. Cheers, my friend. When I think about friendship, I only see your face. My friend, you are my life. You are there when I need you. Without you, I would feel so blue. Cheers to our friendship. Friendship being with the trust, then grows to the level of faith. My friend, I just want to tell you that you are simply great. I love you, my bestie. You are there in my sorrow, there when I smile, all the way and all the while. You make me happy, my friend. I love you. Friends are like you know, in the hardships and in pain, they are there to show the support on the way. Thanks, my bestie, for being there. You are truly precious and rare. You bring so much happiness and positivity in my life. Thank you so much for being such an awesome friend. I don't know what I would do without you. From being my partner in crime to being the shoulder I learn on in hard times, from being a loving advisor to an excellent motivator. You have played many important roles in my life. You are so much more than just a friend to me. Friendship is like a flower blooming in the summer, spreading its lovely warmth until the cold showers come along. A friend like you is worth having since years are spent with happiness and life is filled with blessings when you are around. Lots of love to you, my dear friend. Our friendship is like a star in heaven, peaceful, pleasant, and shining bright above. So let us spend some more time together and let our memories sparkle forever. We two friends are like birds singing merrily all throughout the year, spreading love and happiness through our sweet mellifluous voice. I hope our friendship never ends and remains etched in our hearts forever. Let there come no day that ends our friendship and separates us two. We will stay friends and keep the promises no matter what happens. The best part of our friendship is you. It starts with you and ends with you. So do not break our friendship, as I can't see my days without you. You are like a beautiful song that takes my worries away with its melodious tune and peps up my mood. You are the most cherished surprise in my life. You came like an angel and treated me like a friend. You blessed me with your beautiful presence. I wish that this friendship we share never ends. Sharing chocolates and licking ice lollies, going to school together and fighting over little things, playing in the meadow and cycling over the hills. Memories made with you are worth cherishing. May your worries die every day. May your tension fade away. May our love bring you happiness and our friendship grow each day. A friend is someone who listens to your stories. A friend is someone to kill all your worries. A friend is sweet just like you are. A friend is brighter than any other star. Our friendship is a never-ending relationship, sailing on the waves of trust, holding itself against the strong wind and reaching a shore heaven. Friends like us are rare in this world. Friends like us are not found often. Friends like us die for each other. Friends like us keep friendship forever. Our friendship stands on the trust we hold, the love and care we share for each other, the secrets we keep right in our hearts. No one to reach them but only our thoughts. I love to steal your smiles for a while and fight with you for some time, but I can't see a single tear in your eyes. So here I come with a sweet smile to apologize. Studying together along with croissants, sharing, talking on the phone and spending evenings, playing games and fighting over silly things. Memories made with you are worth remembering. Friends forever we shall stay. Friends in need we shall be. No matter what tries to separate us, we shall always keep in touch. A friend like you is sweeter than anything. I enjoy being with you than buying candies. Sharing our thoughts and worries with each other holds our friendship longer and makes it more stronger. I have shared my entire life with you. You have stood by me through all the odds of life. I am so thankful to God for gifting me with a friend like you. I promise to always stand by your side just the way you do. Together we shall cross every hurdle of the life with ease. You have always been there for me, helping me realize my true potential. I am so lucky to have a friend like you. With you, my joy knows no bounds and sorrows bring no pain. Your support and care has made me strong inside. If I am a good friend or a good person, it is because I am your friend. Our friendship has made me a better person. Thanks for being my friend. You have made me understand the true meaning of friendship and made me a stronger person. Thanks for your support. No one is as close to me as you are, my friend. There is no fakeness with you. I don't need to pretend because our friendship is true. I am glad I have you as my friend. Together we can start a new friend, a new train to continue this bond forever. Cheers to our friendship. With you, there have been so many different ways. I have shared so many beautiful days. Thanks for being my friend. You and me are a perfect blend. A friend gives you hope when you feel low. A friend pushes you when you are going slow. A friend remains true forever in life. A true friend is really difficult to find. What is friendship? What is friendship made of? It is 20% love, 20% sharing, 20% caring, 20% support, and remaining 20 gives you new hope. True friends always guide you in each path of life. They will hold your hand and show you the way. True friends are forever, and I'm glad I found mine. Thank God, friendship does not cost anything. If it would, then it was really difficult for me to afford you. If ever you feel like sharing with me or crying with me, then please call me immediately. I may not make you laugh, but I will surely cry with you. Hello friends, thanks for watching my videos. I am also very thankful for subscription of my channel. Hello friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay friends, goodbye. See you again very soon in the next video.